children, welcome back. We will do a fun activity today. We have an instrument called two colored counters. We've used this in other activities. Two colored counters, there are various pieces. Each has got two colors, blue and red, right? Now, what we're going to do today is, let's say you've got 8 apples. Let's place 8 apples here. You can use any of these colors, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to use blue color to represent the 8 apples that I have. How many apples do I have? Got 8 apples, right? Now my friend comes and he says, give me 3 apples. So what do? You just give away 3 apples. So let's give away from this 8 apples. We give 3 apples to your friend. How many do you have remaining with you? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? You had 8 apples. From the 8 apples, you gave away 3. And now you have got 5 apples. So this is called subtraction. When you give away something, that process is called subtraction. Okay? So let's take one more example. Let's say you've got 6 pencils. Okay? So can we take 6 pencils? Okay, that's 7. Okay, that's 6. Sorry, is that? Okay, that's 6 pencils. Okay? Now your friend comes and asks you, can you give me 2 pencils please? What do? You're a good person, right? So you give away 2 pencils to your friend. How many pencils do you have? You've got 4 pencils with you. How do we write this? We say that you've got 6 pencils. This is what was there with you. 4, 5, 6 pencils. And from this you give away 2 pencils. So we put a symbol like this. This is called subtraction symbol, or it's also called as minus. Minus means how many you are removing, right? So you have 6 pencils. From 6 pencils, you are giving away 2 pencils. What will be remaining with you? If I give away 2 pencils from this, how many do you have remaining? There are 4 pencils that are remaining with you. So that is 4. So this is what we call as subtraction. Subtraction is taking away. Okay. Shall we try one more example? Let's say you've got 5 candies with you. Okay. So let's place 5 candies. Let's use the red side for a change. Got 5 candies like this. And you are giving 3 candies to your brother. Got 5 candies. From this you are giving away 3 candies to your brother. How many do you have remaining? You will have 2 candies. How do we write this as a subtraction statement? We say that you had 5 candies. So that's what you had, right? 5 candies. You gave away 3 candies. So from this minus 3, you gave away 3 candies. So give away 3 candies to your brother. How many do you have remaining? You got 2 remaining. Right? So you bring this 2 here. Okay? So subtraction is nothing but taking away. Okay? So 5 minus 3 gives you 2. Okay? So this is what we call a subtraction. Let me give you a question. Let's say I want to represent 8 minus 4 gives you what? Right? So how do we do this? So you can think of it as you've got 8 bananas. So let's represent the bananas here. So there are 8 of them, right? So this is the 8 bananas that you have with you. And from this, what does this mean? This means you're giving away 4 bananas. So let's take away 4 bananas. Okay. How many do you have remaining with you? You've got 4 of them remaining. So that's what comes here. 8 bananas. When you give away 4 of them, you will have 4 with you. So this is what is subtraction. Subtraction is always taking away objects. So once you take away some number of items, how many you have remaining with you? That's what you need to find out in a subtraction problem. So go ahead and model all the questions that are given in your activity book. If you have any difficulty, write to us at support@mathbuddyonline.com.